Man, oh man, do we have something fun to show you today.
It's big, but also small.
It's practical, but so much fun.
Hi, and welcome back to Mountain Beaches. I'm Norm.
And I'm Kim, and we're living our dream to discover new adventures.
Yeah, because tomorrow is never promised, so we're living for today. Oh, you weren't expecting to see our surprise out here, were you? Come on inside, let us show it to you.
All right, here it is, my surprise from Norm. It's the XP e-bike from Lectric. It's a 500 watt e-bike, and oh my gosh, it's foldable and so much fun.
What'd you think?
So much fun. I've got over my nervousness. Now I'm just having a hell of a lot of fun.
This bike is really compact when it's folded up. It's only 36 inches long, about 26 inches high, and 16 inches wide. That allows you to store it in lots of different locations. So let's see how easy it is to unfold and turn it into a bike. We're going to put this little clip down to lock it. I'm going to fold the handlebars up and lock that in place, and it's done. Since it's an electric bike, of course it needs a battery, and the battery is stored right in this section of the bike. It's a lithium battery, and it will give you 25 to 50 miles depending on the terrain you're going across, and it takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge it. Some of the other nice features about it, down here we have a chain guard so that you don't get your pants stuck in the chain. Back here you have a typical bicycle style derailleur. This one is from Shimano. It's a very nice one. The tires are 4-inch thick fat tire, and they have puncture resistance inside of them. The motor is a 500 watt motor, and it's right here in this back axle. You don't even know it's there, but that's where the motor is. These seats are so easy to adjust. This little lever right here, you pull and up or down it goes. This bike fits both Kim and myself. I'm 6'2" and Kim is 5'5". One bike fits almost everybody. Handlebars adjust just as easily with this lever. This bike comes with both front and rear disc brakes for extra braking capability. Front and rear fenders. It has both a front and a rear light, and those are both powered off of the battery as well. So the handlebars have all of the controls. You have on your right handlebar, there's a typical motorcycle style throttle, and you can use that if you just want to not have to pedal and just go like a motorcycle. A lot of fun. There's also the gear shifter. That'll shift your gears. It has a 7-speed gear shifter. Over here on the left side by my thumb, this button right here, this will turn on the LCD control panel, where you will see your energy bar. That'll display the battery, your speed, your PAS, which is your pedal assist mode, and that goes from 0 up to 5. 0 meaning it's not going to assist you at all, you're just in regular bicycle mode. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that'll help you go faster and faster. And then your odometer, so you can see how far you've gone. It has standard bicycle type brakes, front and rear, and those are disc. And then these two buttons here, an up and a down, that'll change your pedal assist. If you want to go up to pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then back down, depending on the speed that you want to go. Okay, a couple of more features to tell you about. This up arrow button, if you push and hold it, that's how you turn on or off the light, the front and rear light. And you'll get an indicator here that says it's on. Okay, one other feature of the down arrow up here on the handlebar is if you push and hold that, it puts the bike into what they call walk mode, and the motor will start and it'll start going. The walk mode is fast. You got to put the brake on to stop it. All right, that's enough showing you all the controls on this bike. How about we show you how it works and go for a ride?
So exciting. We're going to take our e-bikes out around town. We'll see where we bring you. Got my helmet. And I am ready to go. Ready to rock and roll.
I went with green. You can see me that way. Zoom! Okay, that was Kim coming up a hill without pedaling at all, just to give you an idea of what it can do. I think she was probably only in pedal assist too. These bikes are awesome. We're having so much fun. Let me see you put it in motorcycle mode. Whoa, there she goes. Leaving me in the dust.
What do you think, hon?
I love these bikes. They're so much fun.
I kind of feel like a kid on Christmas. You know, you get your new bike and you're a little nervous about it. You're not sure how it's all going to work out. I was a little nervous, but today we really rode them quite a bit, and it was fun.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. And we're going to share a few things that we like and dislike about these bikes with you. One of the things I really like is that they are so much fun. You can just go fast, you can use the pedal assist, you can pedal on your own.
You can use the throttle, pretend you're on a little motorcycle.
Yeah, these are just a lot of fun, and they get you around. They're great for bringing along, getting around the campground. They're great for someone maybe that has a little apartment and needs something to get around town.
Go to the grocery store.
In an urban area or something like that, yeah.
Yep.
So
yeah, these were fun.
They are fun, and they're practical.
Absolutely.
But they also come standard with a rack, and the rack is a nice rack as well. Yep. Spring loaded, and so that's a nice little feature that they come with. What are some other things we like about them?
This is something that I really like, but it was a concern at first. I like to get my exercise on my bike. On my other bike, you know, we go out for exercise, and I was concerned that, you know, we'd just always be cruising along, but you can just put it on no pedal assist or pedal assist 1 and get as much exercise as you want to get out of it.
Yeah.
And then when you get tired, you ramp it up and off you go.
That's right, that's right. So you can put it in pedal assist 0, and there's 7 speeds you can shift between and just ride like a regular bike.
Yep.
So that's another nice thing about these.
Another thing that we like is that they fold up. so that they fit in a very small space. We can put it inside of our fifth wheel, or if you had a little apartment, you could easily store it there.
Yeah. And they fold up easily. A couple of levers, and one of them's for the handlebars. The bike folds in half, and it's down to nothing in size. So that's a great feature.
Yep.
Some things that maybe they should have done a little better. They require a key. There's a key to lock the battery in place, but then it's kind of like an ignition key. It has to be in place, but it's all the way underneath. And at least for me, I have to get down on my hands and knees to be able to see.
It's a little awkward.
How to put it in there. There's wires in the way. Maybe in the future they can make that better, but for now it's a little awkward. What else?
It's heavy. It's heavy for me. It's heavier than we thought that they were going to be.
Yeah.
I could get it down the steps out of the trailer, but I don't know that I could get it back up into the trailer. So
yeah,
it's heavy.
We do the two, when we put them in the back of the pickup truck, we do the two of us to lift them up in. So they are heavier than a regular bike. That's to be expected, but these were even lots heavier than I was thinking they would be. But the fun of them outweighs that.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. What else? The shipping. Yeah.
Yeah, the packaging on these was not the best. I think mine maybe got dropped. Mine was slightly damaged in shipping, and I still need to contact them to get that straightened out. But my gears were messed up, and they could have done a better job of protecting.
Yeah, if they just would have put a little bit more packaging around the gear area, it would have been fine.
Yeah.
So
it's a new company and they're still learning. I'll give them some feedback, but there's some things on my bike that need to be fixed, and I hope they take care of me.
I'm sure they will. So this has been a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and summer. We've had so much fun. So if you like this video,
you're gonna love the next one, where we share another fun outdoor activity item with you. That's our inflatable kayak.
Another toy.
Yeah. See you in the next video.